Tipyn o dasg o flaen Gresffordd prawn yma yn ebyn Penybont. Ond yn hanner isa Cyngor y Gogledd. Maen nhw wedi ennill 3 o'r 4 dwytha. Felly maen nhw'n rediad da. Pickering ar dacl. Y Bale i Wood. Nawr tyma Miles Davies yn cyrraedd ar ras. Ac oedd angen y gwiriad oddi ar Greg Evans i'w roi i heibio'r bostyn. 19 munud o'r gêm di chwarae. Wood ar gig gornel. Miles Davies! O, na chi beniad. Peniad gwych i roi'r tîm ar uwch gyngred ar y blaen. Wel, fe fethodd Miles Davies ffeinal o llynedd oherwydd anaf. Ond mi oedd i rhoi un troed i Penybont yn rownd yr wyth ola gyda'r peniad gwych yna. Y cliriad. Borge. Peniad yn allus. Little. Dros ben yr amddiffynwr. Raffel yn ei gosod i Georgievski! O, na chi gol wych. Costa Georgievski. Maen nhw'n mwynhau'r dathlu gyda'r lliman hefyd. Mae yna hanner awr o'r gêm ar ôl, a mae yna fynydd i ddringo nawr i Gresffordd. Oedd hi'n gol wych gan Georgievski, yn syth i'r gornel uchaf. Wood. Davies, digon o le i fesur. Y Bale i mewn at Sam Snaith yr eilydd! Fe fydda honna wedi bod yn un o goliau rownd i Sam Snaith. Y cyffyrddiad yr ergyd, mymryn drosodd.
The overall performance really pleased with. Look, it was always going to be difficult today, and it was going to take something special to get something from the game. But the lads can hold their heads up high and be proud. We've competed and we had moments in the first half, but yeah, difficult task today.
Gwahanol. With yr ymodau'n galed iawn heddi. Yn wedig yn yr hanner cyntaf gyda'r gwynt a hefyd y ca. Ddim y gorau, ond yn credu ni'n hapus i mi mewn hanner amser un gol i fyny a wnaethon ni'n domnydd i'r ail hanner wedyn.
Un gol i fyny, diolch i gol pwy?
Diolch i gol fi, Wel, un cyntaf fi tymor un, so neis i gael gol bach a helpu'r tîm a neis i fod trwyddo i'r rownd nesaf.
Having been in the final last year, having experienced that, what journey would you like to take in the next round now?
Well, TNS are struggling at the moment, so we'd love them. I think anyone at home, we've travelled, I think, every round so far this year. So anyone at home and probably a lower league opposition as much as anything else, because we do get bored of playing the same teams all the time. So we'd like to avoid TNS, of course, everyone will, but I'd imagine they want to avoid us.
Ni wedi cael blas o fe blwyddyn diwetha, felly o'n i mor agos hefyd. Roedd ni gêm dda iawn i'r Seintiau Newydd a oedd yr holl awyrgylch oedd jyst yn profiad gwych, so ni'n really moyn neud blwyddyn hyn eto.
We've had a difficult start in the league campaign, and we've turned a corner from the Barry fixture away and we had a good result, and we're hopefully now going to continue that to the end of the season. We've got the top 3 next 3 games, and after that I think we could look at every game and compete and get something from it, so hopefully we have a better second half of the season.